Welcome back to the show, guys. Today in this video we're going to try to convert my SE rear brakes into RS with one bracket. Alright, so we went ahead and got the wheel off and the wheel spacer. First off, this is kind of an experiment for me. I know the ST guys are able to do this really quickly with just this one bracket. This is from the Mazda 5s or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and try to see if we can swap it over. I'm going to take off the original. See, it replaces this right here. So we'll see how it goes. Go ahead and pop this off. Oh, in addition to the bracket here, you need to get RS rear rotors and pads. So I went with the Stop Tech little slotted ones, just because I have an issue, if you can see where it gets grooves from sand, because sand driveway. I'm hoping this will help with that issue, just get sand out of the pads. It's not really a performance thing, just a wear and tear thing at this point. And I have matching SE Stop Tech rotors for the front as well. So I guess let me get that bracket off and see where we can go from there. Alright, so we got the stock bracket off. Here is the nice new one. As you can see, there's quite a bit of difference in the size to get that larger rotor on there. Yeah, so it doesn't look like there's any other difference other than just like the height of these two. So I guess we'll just start reassembling these.
Alright, so you got the new bracket on.
Yep, the new bracket's bolted in. Just now have to figure out how to plug in the new pads, and it should be good to go.
You have to seat these brake pads in before you put these clips on, because the clips kind of hold it and whatever. So this is on now. We'll put these back bolts on. Hopefully these will clear, because they're different. It's a different bracket. So
It's
moment of truth.
bracket, but bolts in the exact same place.
Yeah, moment of truth. If I can find the hole. Shut up. Where is it? Oops, too far. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I got that one started. We'll try and put this guy in real quick. This guy up. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, I don't think you've got
no, that one's not
any
in.
threads.
That one is definitely not in. You know, sometimes I wish I was an octopus. You can like hold on to a bunch of stuff at the same time.
Alright, so here are the RS brakes on the SE. AP was able to get down there, fix that little issue with the bracket for some reason. I thought I had seated it. Oh, it's not focusing. Thought I had seated this little bracket here, but I guess it popped out or something along the way and wasn't letting it seat all the way down. yeah, so we'll go ahead and move on to the other side, get that done, and I don't know, I probably won't do the front tonight because it's already really dark and late.
It is 8:51 according to Apple.
So on to the next.
Eventually.
Chucky got the sauce, bitch.
And with that, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not, hit that bell down below to get notified. Hit the subscribe button if you're not. And be sure to check out our merch line with new shirts all the time, new everything. And if we have anything to link down below, it'll be linked down below. See you next time. Bye.